Okay, so we're looking at formative quiz on indices for the test that's coming up. We'll just do a page at a time. When you're ready, pause, and then come back when you're ready live. Okay, so first one, we've got a negative indice. I'll change colour, make it a bit better. So I've got 1 over 16 minus 1, so the answer is minus 15 sixteenths. Don't forget, a negative indice is a fraction. It's not a negative number. Okay, so with this one here, we need to turn it into an improper fraction to the power of minus 3, and then we can turn the fraction upside down and turn it to a positive. So the answer is 8 over 27. Don't do decimals. Okay, next one we'll expand out. So m6 divided by m2, because two minuses make a plus, and minus times a plus is a minus. Okay, so we've got 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 plus minus 4 equals 0. Just check that again. So 2 3s are 6. Minus 1 times minus 2 is positive 2. Minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 plus minus 4 equals 0. The answer is 1. And the last one, a little bit trickier. So we turn it upside down. And then it becomes a 1. So I've got 1 over 2. And then the square root is a half. Half of minus 2 is minus 1. And then the x on the bottom goes to the top. So the answer is just x on 2. Okay, come across when you're ready. Okay, so simplify significant figures in scientific notation. So can you please have a go at that? Pause the tape, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so we're back. So let's do my calculator. 1321 divided by 61. So the answer is 21.6557, and so I've got significant figures, so I start from this side, so the answer will just be 22. Scientific notation. Simplify 13 with scientific notation to two significant figures. Okay, so the answer would just be 2.2 times 10 to the 1. That's scientific notation in scientific form. Okay, so we've got 6.1 divided by 9.6 times 10. 4 minus 2 is 2. And let's do that calculation. So 6.1 divided by 9.6. And it doesn't say how many decimal places, so I've got 0.635 by 10 squared. And because it's in scientific form, 6.35, and then we've moved the decimal place, so we've got to take 1 off, so by 10 to the 1. Okay, moving across. Okay, so we've got some indice equations. You shouldn't need to use logs, these should all just be same base. So pause, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so this one is 2 to the x equals 1 over 2 cubed, which is 2 to the minus 3. So the first one is just minus 3. Next one, that's going to be 2 to the minus 1 to the 3x equals 2 squared. Therefore, minus 3x equals 2, x equals minus 2/3. And next one, 9 and 27 have a common base of 3. So 3 squared x minus 1 equals 3 cubed. Therefore, 2x minus 2 equals 3, because the bases are the same. 2x equals 5, x equals 5 over 2. Okay, or 2.5 or 2.5. Okay, next one is a quadratic, so have a go and then come back when you're ready. Okay, so let a equals 2 to the x. So we've got a squared minus 9a plus 8 equals 0. A minus 8, a minus 1 equals 0. So a equals 8 or 1. And then a is 2 to the x equals 8 or 1. And so x equals 3 or 0, because 8 is 2 cubed and 1 equals 2 to the 0. So the answer is 3 and 0. Okay, come across, let's have a look. Okay, so sketch y equals 2 to the x plus 1 minus 1. Clearly state asymptotes, intercepts, domain range. Okay, have a go. Okay, we're back. In my class, we build up the function slowly. So we just start with y equals 2 to the x to start with, and then plus 1 moves it back, so that at the moment it's 1. So we're going to move it back 1, so that point there comes back to there. So our next one is, so that's y equals 2 to the x plus 1. That value, x equals 0, so that's 2. And then minus 1 means we drop the floor. So instead of the floor being the axis, we drop it down. So the final graph, brown. Okay, so the 2 value is going to drop down to there. So that's the answer. So, okay, asymptotes. So we've got a horizontal asymptote, y equals minus 1, the floor. There's no vertical asymptote. The y-intercept equals 1 because it started at 2 and dropped down. The x-intercept we have to calculate. So we've got 0 equals 2 to the x plus 1 minus 1. So 2 to the x plus 1 equals 1, which is 2 to the 0. X plus 1 equals 0, x equals minus 1. So it goes through right there. Okay, asymptotes, intercepts, domain, range. Domain, all x, you can put anything you like in, and the range, y is greater than minus 1. Okay, the curve is going that way, so it's greater than minus 1. I think that might be the last one. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that. See you next time.